Department of Foreign Languages, Manipur University ni sinduna ngasi Hangeul Day Celebration pangthokhre. Thoromosida Department asigi Professor Hyung Lee na phongdokhibada Hangeul Day asi chahi khudingi October gi tang 8 da pangthoi. Amadi thoromosiga mari lena Korea Corner koba exhibition room amasu hangdoki. Mahangna makha taraduna High Korea Government Exhibition Room asi hangdokna basel loina lupa lak tarahumdoi gi senthang kaithoklaki amadi department asina mahairoi singda Korea dagi professor singna direct learning to bayabagi khudong chaba dusu piragani haiki.
Government supports the 13 lakhs for preparing these rooms for students, and students can use the computer with the internet, and they are learning the Korean music with the Korean music instrument, and they can wear the Korean costume to experience the Korean culture. And then we also made this room for the e-learning class from the Korean University directly. The Korean University professors will delivering the lectures to our students through the internet in alive. So it will be helpful for our students to promote or increasing their quality of the Korean language.